Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see where to buy Roblox gift card. I wonder why you want to know where to buy Roblox gift card. Maybe you want to purchase a card but you don't know where to get one because there's a lot of scam and you don't want to get one of these. So you want to go to the correct and authentic way to purchase a Roblox gift card and you don't know where to go. So don't worry, in this video I'll show you how easily you can get a Roblox gift card. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you already have installed a Roblox app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Roblox app to open it. Once app gets open, you will see this interface, but unfortunately we don't have any option through which we can purchase the Roblox gift card. Through this option we can get different option through which we can Robux, but we couldn't purchase a Roblox gift card. Therefore you have to go to the browser. I'm going with the Google Chrome, but you can choose any browser of your choice. Just simply tap on the browser and there you will see this search bar. On this search bar you have to specifically search for roblox.com/gift cards. Then you will go to that website. This is the original or the real website by Roblox where you can purchase Roblox gift card. It's not a scam. Other ways like Amazon and other things, they might have scam or may be real, but this one is 100% real. So here we have this option which says shop gift cards. Just simply tap onto this option. Now the page will just take a while to load, and after that you will be able to see how you can easily purchase a Roblox gift card. Here you have to choose if you're getting a card for your friend or for yourself, and after that once you have selected, just simply click on pick a gift card. Then you have to choose if you want a digital card or a physical card and which currency you want to pay in. I'm going with a digital card, but you can go with any other option of your choice. You can also select the currency in which you want to pay. Then we have different categories for the card, so you can choose which category you want and which cover of the card you would like to have on your card. So there are multiple options available you can explore, and whatever you like, just simply click onto this how much option. Once you click onto it, you will be able to see its range. It starts from $10 and go towards $200. You can choose and you can also increase or decrease the quantity and then simply add it to the cart. Then it will get added to your cart and now it's time to check out. Just simply click on checkout and then again it will just take a while and then it will ask you how you would like to pay. So there are three options available. You can choose whichever you like. Add your contact information, your card information, and choose which type of card you have and your billing address. Once you're done with all these things, after that you just have to simply tap onto this option which says place my card. After that you will receive a code and then you can use that code. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can find out where to buy Roblox gift card. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.